Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mousse dessert cups. First, gently melt 6 ounces of your favorite dark chocolate with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Stir continuously until the mixture is completely smooth and glossy. Once melted, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool for a few minutes. This cooling step is crucial for achieving the perfect mousse texture later on. Next, in a separate chilled bowl, whip 1 1/2 cups of cold heavy cream until it forms soft, airy peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it. Now, take about 1/3 of your whipped cream and gently fold it into the slightly cooled chocolate mixture. This lightens the chocolate. Then, carefully fold in the remaining whipped cream in 2 separate additions, ensuring everything is just combined without deflating the mousse. Once your mousse is perfectly mixed, it's time to assemble your dessert cups. Carefully spoon or pipe the chocolate mousse into individual serving cups or small glasses. Fill them almost to the top, leaving a little space for garnish. Place the filled cups into the refrigerator and chill them for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows the mousse to set beautifully and develop its rich flavor. For an extra touch, garnish your chilled chocolate mousse cups with a sprinkle of cocoa powder, some fresh berries, or delicate chocolate shavings just before serving. Using high-quality chocolate truly elevates the taste. You can also adjust the sweetness by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar to the cream before whipping. Enjoy your decadent homemade chocolate mousse dessert cups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.